Hello friends, today I bought this LED brick floodlight from Amazon. It's a brand new brick light company called DUO LITE. Cost of this product is $2.99. It's not a multicolor, it's a white light as I wanted to buy. It's a 50 watt, 230 volts AC, 50 Hz. As you may know, AC power frequency is 50 Hz in India, but in US, UK like developed countries, it's 60 Hz. Remember, this will work on AC and will not come with AC connecting plug and wire. You need to buy 2-pin plug and wire separately for your required length. Alright, let's open this box first. My primary requirement was wanted to have bright white light of maximum 50 watts. Wanted to have an intensity or luminescence adjustments like in different color. We get remote for that. Searched a lot, so bought this. Okay,
DUO LITE Essential Smart Bright G2 LED floodlight, energy efficient design, 50 LED with 5 IC, anti-glare diffuser, brick light, 50 watt LED, less hassle, more savings, energy saving 85%. Galaxy Store, manufactured by Ramesh Market near Sapna Cinema Estate of Kailash, New Delhi. AC 85 to 265 volts, 50 to 60 Hz. One piece. As you can see, lights are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50 LEDs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ICs.
Contains 50 LEDs on the panel enclosed in a plastic transparent glass-like plate, screwed at the edges onto the black aluminum plate.
Number of screws are 5 plus 5 plus 2, 12 screws. Glass has been fitted. It is not a glass, it is fiber glass. It is made up of plastic.
It is also provided with oblong slots
and wire, 2 leads, but there is no plug for this. You need to bring separate lengthy wire, separate wire which is according to your requirement, and along with that you need to have a 2-pin plug for that to connect to the AC. Having a C-shaped
flat stand backside to rest onto the ground. It is also provided with oblong slots on plate to provide air cooling effect as it gets heated up because of 50 watts power. As company says, transparent glass is anti-glare diffuser type as written on the box. When I checked, not appearing like that. It is fitted with 5 ICs which may control the heat or temperature with voltage control, I guess.
As we know before, we were using incandescent bulbs, producing lower brightness and most of the energy consumed for heating the filament itself. So now, because of not having the filament in this 50 watt brick light, and there is no heating and appears too bright,